Hi students, welcome back again to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. I hope you guys been liking our IELTS Speaking Cue Card series 2021. And in continuation to that series, we are here with a new cue card topic, that is describe an unforgettable bike or bicycle trip. So let's start our today's topic. Describe an unforgettable bike or bicycle trip. You should say when it was, where you went, what happened during the trip, and how you felt about it. So our answer could be something like this. Do you know what is the best thing about taking a bicycle tour? Well, you never feel obliged to take the same route when you are on a cycle path. At least that's what I did when I took a bicycle tour about 4 years ago from now. When I was a university student, I was really passionate about riding a bicycle, either with my friends or alone. However, the problem was riding alone was that I never felt as energized as riding with my friends. So one day, I, along with several other friends of mine, decided to hit the road on a day-long bicycle tour from our university. We, a group of 5 friends, decided to start our tour on a fine Saturday morning and return back to our university before the sunset. Of course, as I have already mentioned earlier, we didn't take the usual route as we wanted to visit different pockets of the city and the beautiful countryside along the road. We did everything to make our bicycle tour a very enjoyable and memorable one, which included making a video of our competition with a running train, taking pictures of the playing rabbits on the streets, and helping a baby bird to get back to its nest. We also rested ourselves by the side of a beautiful lake while counting the numbers of different species of wild birds in it. We didn't forget to enjoy some delicious foods on our way either. I believe that we traveled about 50 kilometers before returning to our hostels at the end of our tour. I enjoyed every minute of my bicycle tour because I felt like it didn't really have to worry about finding a way or getting stuck unnecessarily in some bad traffic. Besides, having an opportunity to see the life and activities in and around the city from up close for the first time was indeed a unique experience for some young students like us. Finally, being able to enjoy the beautiful nature of the countryside on this bicycle tour was indeed very refreshing for our restless young minds. So guys, this is the sample answer. You can take ideas or you can memorize it as you like, and also you can take ideas and make your own, or you can think about your bicycle trip. Well, not a trip, but I'm sure you all have ride a bicycle when you were young, because we all get a bicycle when we are like really young, not even a teenagers. So we go on the trips, we go on the small trips like with our siblings, or sometimes with our parents when they are teaching us the bicycles, and when we first time we know how to actually ride the bicycle. So we go on those kind of small trips with our friends, sometimes just from like a school to tuition or home to tuitions. So you can also make your own by taking these ideas that once in a childhood we do all have a bicycle and we do ride it. So sometimes we do take a small trips. So you can just think about that and make your own. Otherwise, I'm here to help you and guide you. I hope you like this video. If you do, please click on the like button and also subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Learner, and we will be back with some more cue card topics. Thank you students for watching this video. Best of luck. Thank you.